Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jeff Bremer, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Well, most likely you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's actually in it for me? Well, I'm glad I can read minds, because the answer is that oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has helped, resulting in some of those little or local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, let's do this for me as well. So, if by the end of this video you like what you hear, and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you to do it yourself, that works for me too. So now, let's get started. Let's have a look at your website. It's actually a really decent looking website. I really like the layout of it all. It's easy to look at. It's also easy to read, decent amount of content, a portfolio right in your face, good stuff, good stuff. I believe it's also mobile optimized. It certainly is. You probably also have a click to call number if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look. I actually don't see it here, but it was here. So yeah, I think it's definitely a small suggestion would you also use this button in your mobile optimization to make sure that the customers are actually can get in touch with you as fast as possible. But overall, really good. But there's always room for improvement. So let's have a look and see what you guys are able to do to attract more customers to your website. Well, the first thing I would like to discuss is, let's have a look at your homepage. If I wasn't already there, yes, I am at your homepage. The amount of content. I see that you have a bit of content. I think it's about 600, 700 words tops. So in order to rank in Google higher, we definitely need to crank up those numbers. Why? Well, Google's actually saying that in order to rank properly, you need to have at least 1500 words on your homepage alone. So what Google's also saying is that for your other pages, so your sub pages, for example, your service pages, you would have to have at least about 500 words in order to rank properly in Google as well. Let me give you a small example. I've already had that, but let's type it again. Let's search for Mike Tyson. And what you see here is that Wikipedia is showing up number 1 on the page 1 of Google. Why? Because Wikipedia has a tremendous amount of content related to Mike Tyson. So in order for you guys to rank all the way to the top, you definitely want to have content related to the services that you are providing, which is in this particular case tree servicing, and I believe it's a little bit of landscaping as well. Another thing that I would like to discuss is the amount of votes that your website has. So what do I mean by votes? Well, a vote is actually something that is being given by other people or other companies online. So we want to make sure that the amount of votes that you have are as high as possible, because Google is actually a popularity contest. The more votes that your website has, the higher you will rank in Google. Looking at your current situation, you currently have 0 votes back to your website. So you definitely need to be cranking this up in order to rank higher in Google. If you cannot do this by yourself, we're also happy to help you with that. So get in touch with us if you need our help regarding that. Another thing that I would suggest is to get a small contact page here in the right side of your website, that's definitely your homepage. Why? Because you want people to get in touch with you as fast and as easy as possible. Let's have a look in Google as well. I have another small tool in place. Let's have a look where you guys at. You're currently in Studio City. So Let's have a look. Tree service Studio City. Let's see how high you rank. So you're currently ranking in position number 12 of Google when people from Studio City are actually looking at a tree service. So position number 12 means that you're currently ranking on page number 2. So if you want to be ranking place number 1 on page number 1, you need to definitely take into account all these things that I just mentioned. So you need to have a look at your content. You have to have a look at some on-page optimization, and you will need to have more votes going to your website. Well, this is it for now. This is just a small preview of improvements that I can do for you, helping you to reach more customers. This will result in improving the amount of sales that you have and expanding your business, which is what you, of course, want to do. Hit me up if you would like to schedule an appointment by emailing me back or send me a text message so we can chat and make this work. Hope this little video has helped you guys out. Let's talk soon. Talk to you. Bye bye.